What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, I wanted to drop in because I've been getting so many questions over on X or Twitter, on the YouTube front, about if I had to choose just a few cryptocurrencies to hold through the entire 2025 bull run, which ones will they be? Well, I'm going to cover each and every single one of those, and I'll give you kind of my why as to why I think they will perform very, very well. Again, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, as always, I would appreciate if you would consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and then consider subscribing to the channel if you find the information useful. The overall market is primed right now. We have 10 days until CPI. Once the CPI report goes live, and I'm praying, I think we all need to come together, hold hands, and literally begin praying that CPI comes back much better than expectations. If that occurs, and then Trump's presidency, his inauguration being the 21st, again, just a few days after that, followed by then the FOMC meeting, and hopefully, if things go extremely well, we just get an overall giga send bull run, meaning Bitcoin to 150 to 170K in the next couple months, Ethereum passing its all-time high between $5,000 to $6,000, and then the rest goes on. But let's go ahead and break it down, and I'm going to give you guys my why for each and every one of these. First and foremost, number one, you might think I'm going to say Bitcoin, but no. I think Bitcoin already had a really nice run up. My number one coin for the 2025 bull run, I will say, is Ethereum. And these are going to be in chronological order, as the most bullish to, again, ones that I'm still bullish on. Maybe they have more upside than ETH, but I'm talking safety wise, in my opinion. I think, again, Ethereum is a clear winner. Right now, we know a lot of people are wondering, why in the world is Ethereum such a laggard? Why has it not really been doing much, running sideways, not breaking its previous all-time high? But again, just testing right around the 4,000 level mark in March, and then right after the presidential elections in the United States and Trump being then elected. Again, nowhere near that $4,900 that we saw back in 2021. And one of the biggest things that people are overlooking, in my opinion, is layer twos. You need to understand that maybe Ethereum itself doesn't have much going for it, right? Gas fees are too high. Traders are not really using the chain as much anymore, but you need to understand that a lot of people are now going on full stack optimism, or if you're talking about base layer 2, or even you're talking Arbitrum, a lot of people are using the layer 2. So volume overall, technically, those are still Ethereum based layer 2s, right? And a lot of them, like Base, for example, Base Chain is literally using ETH coin as it's just, again, wrapped as base ETH, which is still under the Ethereum blockchain. So with that being said, I think ETH, for obvious reasons, it's been a laggard so far, but I think, again, from a fee saving perspective with all the layer 2s, it can very much surpass $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, I would say conservatively, by the summer. And again, May, June, July, that's when you kind of start considering and reassessing where's your portfolio, manage risk, and then decide what you want to do. So again, number one being Ethereum. Going to number two, it's got to be the boy Sui. Sui has honestly just showed so much resilience and strength ever since its launch. Mind you, it launched pretty much amidst a bear market, nothing really happening in terms of volume for crypto, but it's been showing its true potential. Trade volume going and making big numbers. Right now, we're seeing trade volume at $1.26 billion exchanged in the hands of traders just over the last day. But again, the total value locked over $30 billion for Sui. And I really do think that it can become one of the top players. And if you look at it in comparison to any of the other layer ones, Sui right now is ranked 12th below AVAX, Tron, Cardano, and Solana. I think right now with Solana being $100 million market cap, Sui being 15 million, we're talking about 10 to 15x potential for Sui, anywhere between $52 to $75 by end of bull run. Again, it's just being able to capture market share. It's improved its layer 1 capabilities relative to Cardano or any of the other competitors, Solana, Ethereum, in terms of transaction cost and transaction speed. Let's take it over to XRP, my other token that I'm extremely bullish on. It's right now trading at $2.42. Its all-time high back in 2018 was right around $3.09. I think, again, upside potential when it comes to Ripple Labs' XRP is huge. Because again, if you're looking at a token that's compliant, a one token that has been fighting for its life to prove that it is not a security and rather it is just another commodity, just like the rest of the cryptocurrency market, like Bitcoin and ETH, and it still doesn't have its ETFs, so we're not seeing full inflows from institutions. The potential is high. And that same remark goes for SUI. We're still not seeing institutional investors coming in to XRP and SUI. So both of those, I think, again, have really big upside potential. For me, a reasonable exit, $8 to $10, maybe a little above that. I think that's when you should consider exiting. Once it hits $1 trillion market cap, and if it does during this coming bull cycle, especially because of the community being so strong for XRP, that's when you got to start timing things and figuring out what you want to do next. So again, that is XRP. After ETH and SUI, XRP is ranked third. Number 4, Solana. Easy play in my playbook. And again, Solana has proven its place for DeFi, decentralized exchanges, decentralized finance, and trading. We're seeing significant volume, billions of dollars, surpassing Ethereum for the first time ever this year. Excuse me, that was in 2024. Now we're in 2025. But again, I think Sol as the DeFi layer in crypto has won. So the upside potential, not only can it beat its previous all-time high, which it actually touched this year, I think we can see Solana anywhere between $750 to $1,000 per coin at a $400 to $500 billion valuation. I think, again, that's me being conservative. Because when the market and the floodgates open, remember, you need to understand that maybe it doesn't look realistic today, but in a month, 2 months, 6 months, with the new Bitcoin reserve happening in the United States, we'll probably see Solana begin to execute and continue to push and grab more of the market share. Remember, this thing has climbed to the 5th biggest cryptocurrency, passing BNB earlier this year. Now, probably the most controversial, but I will say, my number 5 pick. A lot of you probably won't guess it, but I know you've been on my channel, you've been watching content and consuming content. I think it's got to come down to a meme coin, and it's got to be Pepe. Why do I say Pepe? Pepe fits the description and the picture of what we saw Shiba Inu do in 2021. It got listed on every exchange right before a really big bull rally. Pepe did the same thing. Pepe is the biggest meme of all time in the history of all memes. Meaning its upside from a valuation perspective, we know Doge hit almost $100 billion valuation. SHIB hit a $44 billion valuation. So I think, again, for Pepe, being the number 1 meme of all time right now, currently ranked the 21st cryptocurrency by market cap, I think, again, we can see Pepe go into the deca billions. I'm talking $50 to $100 billion market cap. And that's, again, being pretty conservative in this bull run. So guys, lock in. It's time to pay attention to crypto again. For those of you that have been sidelined, kind of bored of the market, volume is picking up. We're seeing significant year to date, even just as of the new year, we're seeing money flow back into cryptocurrency. And yeah, keep your eye out. I've been watching the top gainers. I've been watching the AI sector. I've been watching the meme coins. I'll make another video about which AI cryptocurrency specifically I'm bullish on. And again, these are just opinions. You guys always have to make your own and final decisions. I appreciate your support. But again, guys, that's all I really had for you. So again, expect another video for AI-based memes AI-based cryptocurrencies that I think will perform very, very well. But keep your eyes open. I appreciate you all. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.